Yeah, good morning again. Ray from Raw Adventure. Back at it again, you know. Yeah, so this morning our venture is to go to Blue Hole in St. Mary. Yeah man, Jah always a guide way, you know, for our journey. So me and the family there, you know. Yeah man, Crystal around the corner here, so Yvette, Mia. Yeah, me go catch her man. Lit. You know. Yeah man, I weird that, you know. On my journey.
So Leah, you drive up front?
You find it?
Mr. Cool Blue, somebody, and it looks like you want to make
Mr. Want the original blue old, some none for that one.
Yeah man, so we're on our journey this morning. I go to Blue Hole. We're not sure where it is, but trying to
let me see.
Get the address so we can use Google.
So we're here right now. So we're here now. Yeah, it looks like a symbol right here. Zoom in on yes. Yeah, because we're coming from over that side. Yeah, same thing, same thing. Yeah man. Okay.
So you are lead Leo?
Yeah man. Alright.
Yeah,
respect,
man.
respect.
Yeah, man.
Morning. Manners.
So when I say if you stay here, so?
If you stay here, so you're really not going to make here?
Yeah, but can't vlog from the back still.
Vlog. A vlog or vlog?
Vlog.
Ramon.
Actually, if I want with their Cascade.
Yeah. I don't want the Cascade.
I don't Blue Hole with their Cascade, Ramon.
I don't think so. Cascade, what up?
That's the address of the
She said she's a 2 Blue Hole. What address? What's your name? She must go.
No. One Blue Hole, man, and one a pole and you look one.
No, man. No, man, the one that said Mary.
Yeah, St. Mary that show I said.
But I'm one of them up there.
At the same place now, so I say I'm on one entrance.
Okay.
Okay, alright then.
Alright, let's go.
Which one the right entrance?
From the carry up there, if yeah, meet me.
Okay,
know the
alright.
place once you reach
The
it.
one where Leo go, the first person.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, then
You still gonna show me face? You not show me
Yeah,
face?
so credit.
It's not showing your face now.
No.
We have to call Digicel. Me not the fire, you know, if it's no credit. I don't come more.
I just top up my one for start work. I'm not on service.
Oh, so me I call up on service and if you're not on service. Look how much we are blog.
I'm bridging that spot there use.
We are blog. Look how much we don't want to catch you at 8. Vlog. We have vlog.
Buy mine on credit, man. Send them my credit.
If you buy on a Blue Hole, me I go. You start video, Raymond?
Yeah, start video.
Watch ya. Good face. Mwah. I see myself in a... Remember, I turn the camera up on me.
I don't mean you have a camera and turn on the camera if you don't want the camera.
Oh.
Show them, you can show the road.
Yeah, we are on our way going to Blue Hole. We are going to do it. We are going to truck off into the water, little island.
Little higher, so you have the dashboard more, yeah.
Oh, little higher. And we are come out of a little country area. And we are going on the road, going to do it. Morning. So on our journey.
So which way you gone?
Right, it's in there. So what's there something in the camera?
You see man, sit up, look at shoulder, yeah, that's sit up
Yeah,
man.
man, I like that one
Yeah.
up on the front right here, sir. If I just up on the front, then it's like something like this. You don't have some.
It look like one container.
Inside?
No?
Inside?
I no container.
Hey, all this way, man.
You can't do it up down.
I'm man, do it. One little youth. My mama I see in this up there.
Same thing.
Got somebody, teacher, you teach me, girl, you know easy.
You go easy going up there.
I'm pretty seeing you, son.
You mean the ground? Yeah, we're on our journey, you know. See it from the start. Yeah.
So I'm keeping an eye on that, so it don't really matter. And that's the road. And that's the road in Ashanti. And that's the road. I want to whenever you saw water, we have water though. That's the road. Once everybody come together, they know why there are enough car. What's the same amount of car that's through that the street? They care man them. My neighbor they say me tell say, give me a bag of cement and me fix my driveway too. Because in time me say one bag of cement to put on the house. And I me fix this up. And mash up back. I me fix right go down to near Carl part this up. But the water come and mash up the back.
Where the concrete they use?
Come right up. Only let them up. Ocho Rios. Denise, you want to hold it up front?
I shall go broke her pan to buy my birthday. Me tell her buy my. Me don't want to give her that time if you didn't do me ear.
Mom, your ear is already done,
No,
that's why.
my birthday, me tell her birthday look.
I'll fix it here.
Oh man, friend me suffer.
Yes. Straight it up, Denise.
Tracy.
Yeah.
Mommy, right now, my family not ready to break it.
You have about 12,000 like that. If you have a birthday for my birthday and for do me ear, me tell you already.
Oh, mommy, I'll do your hair myself. I'll do your makeup, mommy. I'll do your makeup too.
so she said.
Wait till me see that save towards a laptop down here.
Laptop.
Yeah, and that's the money towards my laptop. But she wants me to bring.
I mean, we can save no five because if I never me take no five care go get teacher. If you take out and change it to the $100 them and making $1,000 and throw in our pan. Them have a rally card who carry most money. One people say them carry 20,000, one say carry 13,000. The little girl starve herself at school and save all her money.
Me? No. I did not starve myself.
One carry them to carry money pan.
But I know you for carrying a big money.
She not gonna wait for the big money. Her brother give her 5, make her 5. All her friends in my school she talks.
She go to church.
She never carried it. You can't.
Oh, no, it's right. Yeah. So come on, I'm on the brother. Never chicken.
Yeah, man, we're there now. The blue wall, we're there now. Yes, Aya.
Big up.
Yeah, saying?
Okay. No, you sent it with Mr. Brooms, or you sent it to...
Like a tour guide.
You know.
Oh no, I'm not in the US, you know. I'm in
So,
Canada.
Shanti, them pay something a while ago? Them pay?
I must sit down and say them myself there.
Let me just check.
You want a blue hole experience, me about the blue hole experience in a butt.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, today we have a...
I already spoke to my accountant this morning. And I was telling him that, let me take a speak. I was telling him that I have a company.
Then him a frequent visitor that, you know, man. Look what time we come, a frequent visitor, you know. Yeah.
If I would get ready for me, then they get back the $500.
Yeah.
So what you doing right here?
I'm making notes of these guys.
You want to make
So
sure
we're
you're
ensure
confirm
we have that I, that, and T cross.
Yeah, I can't watch. I can watch it.
I'm a person. 7.
Sheldon. Red band, rest of band.
Like that?
2 more band, let me see. We forget one. One more band.
7 bands.
What band is that?
7 band me come.
7 band.
With the child not get the band. Yeah, she get the band.
Everybody gets
That Anna?
Alright guys, listen up. When at 5 minutes back to the road to the camp to Waterfall, you should be on the restroom stop we have. If you don't want to use the restroom, you go straight to our starting car. Like 4 different entrances.
There's one further down.
Yeah, down below. You're gonna get educated about it.
Alright, I'm going to use the rescue one from
Straight up.
me. You want to use it?
Straight up.
I know, I don't make them anti-spots up for your mouth, all this, so I follow your auntie. But don't watch what she do. It's up there.
So when I'm saying I'm going to educate, when I educate my friend.
Yeah, so you're aware of the dangers, you're aware of the safety, you're aware of...
And that's it. Well, Sheldon?
Yes.
Is that the first time?
Yeah. Every tour guide will get name.
Okay, we say to educate my friend.
You get a natural nature tour, then we do the water. And every tour guide do that too.
That's the one where you come with the package?
No.
You don't come with the package?
No.
Oh, so you're really nice at the
Yeah.
shop?
Yeah, we explained to her earlier.
Oh, she agree. As long as the lady with the money in her pocket, talk to her.
Because none of your son
I know.
So, when she spoke to you, it's good, it's cool.
You enjoy yourself, right? Yeah. Some people don't like you remember the same.
Yeah, but we just want to make sure all and you understand what we don't want to be misled by whatever, yeah.
You don't get a basic salary, but you pay good money. So we get paid to
I understand my side, that's why I ask you. Yeah?
eventually it will be over.
Sometimes we expect to regard of Marley.
Yeah?
And they said over here, is there somewhere so to like take off your stuff?
Yeah, change room and yeah, lock her down there.
Yeah, man, this me away, you know, I don't think I have nothing.
Alright, take your time.
All my shoes me go in the water, you know. And these are my water shoes, if you mash up a so. I'm assuming you have 2 crooks in the car now.
This is the crew, my crew.
Yeah.
One rock.
Yeah, man, so we're on the tour going down the steps here. Down to the river. At Blue Hole Nature. Welcome to Nature Blue. You know.
One love, peace and unity.
I'm personally using my phone. I don't know, GoPro is getting so hot so quickly. I don't know why. Put it back. Remember, Yvette, I need to talk to you. You're going to water? Yeah, I wonder.
You're not going in the water?
I'm very sure.
Yeah, sir.
We're going on a raft?
No.
We're going on a
floaty?
floaty?
No, you're walking water where you can walk into. You're jumps to them. And you have your wife who go mud down swimming, so you have to go water.
No, man, I'm not mother. She want mother, man, no mother, man.
Huh?
No, man, I'm no mother.
I'm on
Yeah, man, I'm not a mother. She want... So Denise, you're not going to water? You me and say, you me not see a van alive. You me not see any?
Alright, excuse me. We have an envelope for you to put all our stuff in here.
Oh, okay. So now I'm going to leave phones and stuff? Now I'm going to leave the phone and everything there? Okay. Towel, I let them see when I need a towel. That's why we just leave the towel them up so. Because you're going on the water, so.
Okay. Come again, we just started. Come again, Nene.
Hello, sister, I don't know the stuff.
Yeah, ask him, man, ask.
Look at them safe, right?
Alright, this is it. So we're here, okay, you're not going to
Yeah, but when somebody now go water, because Lynette, you're not going to water, you see? You say you're going to water? Water, you're going into the water? Yeah, like Lynette now going to the water.
Even though it come up boat, you know?
No, just in case them bunks and you drop off. You have it. Yeah. So.
Oh, so that's why I'm running down the car. Down here, so.
Yeah. So somebody have a bit.
Come in here with it. But upset that car working out. Before we go first.
Yeah.
The one people.
Tour inside.
Yeah, the Mary Life. No, they're also here.
Also. So everybody are also. It's a free for. Yeah, so we probably not need
He
it.
can't die, but he can't swim, but he can't die. No, he can't die, but he can't swim. Everybody can die.
I mean, dive, I mean, chuck off in the water. Yeah.
Then carry up on the sub, not doing that again. You jump off after the little bridge. The water make me feel like.
Oh, I need to leave my watch.
So what kind of water are you carrying?
The two of them is clear one and this one.
So you
Come
don't
on.
need the water?
Yeah, they may leave way back now in the water at the time when I'm in the water.
Okay, so this is your own.
No, I don't need that, I only need that.
swim?
Yeah, man, fish out, just have fish out the water. I don't say them say we not say me a fish, you know, but all while them say, you can't say you're a fish.
You're weird just in case.
Am I weird for me?
You're weird just in case. Yeah. Him not going to water. Your mind, your shoes wet. Your mind, your shoes wet.
Oh, this can't now come off and me put him in the water.
Where's the phone?
Alright, let me go. You say me can't go without shoes?
Hello, you can close it now.
Yeah, man. Yeah, if you mash up, you mash up.
If you don't want to get it wet, if you don't mind getting wet, you can wear.
Yeah, man, because then you just go wet and get back dry.
Yes, I will come back at different things.
We have a battery. Oh, key. Hold on. Oh, shit. Hold on to this. Battery and car key. Yeah, come have a battery in my pocket. Don't mind me not to go in and water.
Me control them. Me have to their phone.
And go by the water. That's it. Can't just put all the hard.
Alright, let me hear from me. I'm ready. The photos done already. Recording?
Come on, sit and record right
Oh,
now.
you're still recording?
$14 US. And check $14 US would be $1,800 one.
Good phone. Get next to this thing.
Just click on the button.
I know.
I can record right.
Alright, let's go ahead and go. Alright guys, take up your photo. Look
Well, let me tell you now, so we can set up a place, you know.
Alright.
Eventually, just cover any part of the river that we can expose to the world.
Yeah,
Now we are proper
this
to
is start off and nothing.
Yeah. Now we are just we are proper to the river and treat it. And I put that now.
Yeah, explain this to you.
Yeah.
When we just this year start off and nothing. Till it become the number one tourist attraction.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, listen up. Blue Hole owned by private owners, local people. So section that's river like right here, Cool Blue. Up top you have Island Gully Falls, which is Chaka. We just went to Nature Blue, down below you have Big Farm. So everybody goes to one thing, the Grand Falls. So this is it. You have our attraction.
Yeah, let's go. Let me tell you this morning. Because you were saying about...
Alright guys, get together for a group photo.
You take it for
next time. You
you take it for and you take picture. Love video.
When you're done, them have to pay you.
Come on. Remember these are the same photos you share with family and friends. You show them that you're happy. Yeah?
You gotta look at dinner laughing.
Peace.
Sheldon. And Sean.
I'll share.
All Sean. All Shane. Oh, all Shane.
Property, I plan on property, and I run through their time property, okay? Let me see if up this first. I don't have the section anymore. I'll come here and have something on the section.
Yeah, man, you follow this one. Not to find you down.
Everybody. And in the meantime, you can guess within the tree behind you. Guess with the name of the tree behind you.
It looks like a fig tree, man.
Tall tree.
Tree.
No, she took tall tree. Big and tall.
Alright, go on, get close. Alright. There's that fig tree.
You guys ready? Look, come back. Look, come back. I mean, you want to see up here.
Get in the photo.
You want to like group? I would like a group of me to go on the one here. You must see me.
Aha. Alright. Watch this.
Young man.
It's alright. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take the
Alright,
number.
go out there.
That's over it. That's what you want.
A little chubs. Missing chubs.
Come on.
Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Come right here. Come right here. Rasta, come right here, sir. Stand right here.
No, me can't swim.
Come right here.
I don't know how long I'm gonna. Yeah. You know, I'm going to cook.
Come here, talk like I'm still here going with it.
I'm going to cook to them. That is it. Women, that is it. Hey, that's a God like you.
All right. One question.
That God like you. No. That God like that. No. That God like you. But you have to put it in the cup.
One question.
Why don't I go?
What do you think keeps the water that crystal? What do you think keeps the water that
Crystal clear. Crystal clear, I mean,
Yeah.
soil.
You're close, man. You're close.
Rock.
All right.
So limestone rock.
Yeah.
Okay.
Limestone filtered water. Second name is something you made from limestone.
In the made from limestone cement.
Yeah. The body is two-page. Ceramic tile, countertop, tiling.
Yeah, all of those, yeah.
But the other guy wasn't good. Up where you go? I was a young guy. Where you go? Up at top? Up at top you go? Oh, roll this up.
Jesus clear, for real?
All right, guys.
Only one input?
Yeah. You sound like a more she didn't want you put this here only one input.
Come here, remember the bedroom? What one is here?
No, I put where? No, my girl. My girl, like it's already. Never see Consi. That boy is the best. That boy. One and uno. I'm going
Hey, give me this one.
I'm passing.
We're making a
Yeah, I'm passing on now. Sheldon.
Yeah.
I'm passing.
Come now. Eh? Put her in the front. Come on, come on. Come
She
here.
can't do it, man. She can't do
Come
it.
here now.
No, man. Don't have a problem with her foot, man.
Yeah, we'll take her across.
No worry, man. No worry.
It's okay. You the one on board me and I'll remember.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy. You like that? Don't back down. No, you talk back. Keep it spicy. That's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't got a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. I'm a main squeeze, don't get it twisted. If there's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't got the time for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. 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 got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy, you like that. Don't back down, no you talk back. Keep it spicy, that's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't got a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. I'm a main squeeze, don't get it twisted. There's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy, you like that. Don't back down, no you talk back. Keep it spicy, that's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't got a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. I'm a main squeeze, don't get it twisted. There's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't got a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. 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 When we make it